This is Boipelo from Blue Globe 27. I will be showing you Bank Manager. The key benefits of this module is that you will be able to process your month-end bank transactions at a quicker pace than before, because you won't have to type out everything that you have to put into the system from the bank statement. It will automatically be populated into your cash book. So the first thing that you have to do in processing the bank statement module is that you have to download the bank statement from your internet banking site. Once you've downloaded your statement, you'll then come to the cash book, come to Bank Manager. Then from here, you will then navigate to where you downloaded your bank statement. You're going to say OK to that, and then it will populate the bank statement into Evolution, into the Bank Manager module. So by default, the import will come with these transactions not allocated to any account or any module. So what you then can do is you can map a transaction. So for instance, this one, it was mapped to this AR customer. So the next time you import the bank statement, it will know that if the statement description is that, then the account that should be selected should be that. You can also do split transactions on the bank statement screen. So what that will do is, if there's a lump sum that is being received or paid, you can then allocate it to different accounts that it's supposed to go to, if it's supposed to go to different accounts. So if you click on split transactions, then you will then be able to allocate different accounts to the whole lump sum of, for example, the 85,000. And once you've done that, you'll just click on save, and then those that transaction will be split across those different accounts. Once you're happy with everything, you'll just click on submit, because what this will do is it will take these transactions from the Bank Manager module and it will take them into your cash book. Submit. Then you'll see 49 transactions imported into your cash book, and you'll see these it will be allocated to the account, to the module, and the dates will be as per the bank statement dates. And if you look at the reconciliation column, they'll also be automatically ticked, so that when you then go after posting this batch and you go to your bank recon, you'll see that these transactions have been reconciled. So on a monthly basis, once you've imported your bank statement, it will obviously automatically reconcile with the balance that is in Evolution. And once you're happy with everything, you'll just post the batch, just validate it to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. And then you'll just post the batch. Okay, these are overtimes, that's fine. If you want to print it, you can print it. So basically that will be 49 transactions posted in less than 10 minutes, where before you'd probably have to take 30 minutes to type out each and every line of the bank statement into your cash book and then post that. Okay, so to recap, Bank Manager module will help you fast track the processing of month end by automatically putting in transactions into your cash book from the bank statement without you having to capture them individually all the time. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any assistance with this, or if you want to find out more about the Bank Manager module. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.